Everybody, what is up? Hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm doing the rear brake pads for the Scion TC. A few weeks ago, I already did the front ones, so now I just gotta do the back ones. Oh, before I get started with this, I just want to let you guys know about a giveaway, which I'm gonna be doing in a few weeks, posting some more details on that. Be on the lookout for the giveaways, okay? It's gonna be very interesting the way this works. So I'm going to O'Reilly's. I'm starting to get a little bit hungry, so I think I'm gonna go for a Carl's Jr. after I get this. Already picked them up already. My brake pads, 40 bucks, so much more expensive than the front ones. I don't know for what reason, but that's just the way it is. I haven't even worked on the car yet and I'm already hungry. It's ridiculous. One spicy chicken and 2 big hamburgers. If you guys are wondering why I don't get fries or soda, is because I try to stay off of that. So I don't usually eat fries as much, and soda, I don't drink any soda whatsoever. So I'm not a cheapskate or anything like that. I'm just trying to be healthy, okay? So now you guys know. Thank you. That's what you want right there. That's what you want right there. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna use my power tools today so we can get this done quicker. Sometimes I forget to put the brakes between the tires, but you guys always want to make sure you guys do that so it doesn't move on you. Make sure it's on the highest level of power, which is 4. You're gonna need a 17mm for this, and it should be right here in the bottom lower side. Oh, it came out pretty easy. When you put these brake pads on there, we have to clean these rotors real good. Alright, there we have them, guys. It's a good time to change them. What I don't want is that junk to be getting all over the cement pavement. So I'm gonna put this where it can catch it. Just get the clean side of this rack. I have an idea. Put this on here. Try this. So you guys see that right there? That's what you guys want. We'll do it one more time. Alright, looks pretty, guys. Calipers. And we're using, again, Brake Best Select ceramics. And they come with the hardware in case we need those, which we're not going to need. Put a little bit of this on here. The piston is going to be pressing down on this, and then a little bit on the ears. Back the brake pistons. There it is, just like that. Before we press it in all the way, I'm going to make sure that it's not spilling over here. Fluid is not spilling out, so that's good. We're going to take your brake pad, clean the inside of that just to make sure nothing's in there. What you got on here, and we're done with this side. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, guys, and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so I'm all finished up with the TC. Make sure you clean your calipers really good, and make sure you clean your rotors as well. So about the giveaways, I'm gonna be doing that pretty soon here, any day now, but next week I'll give you more details on that, and I'll show you guys how you guys can win. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll do my best possible to get that for you. Okay guys? See you guys next week. Oh snap. That's not good.